In a world that moves too fast, where our minds are constantly pulled in 1,000 directions, there is a sacred space within you that never moves. It is calm. It is still. It is home. In the next 5 minutes, you will return to that space. You will experience pure presence. No past. No future. Just now. And when you're done, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and deeply at peace. Let us begin. Welcome to the Inner Peace Project. If this meditation brings you calm, clarity, or even just one deep breath of peace, consider subscribing for more moments like this. Now gently close your eyes, and let's return to the present moment together. Begin by taking a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Feel the weight of your body wherever you're sitting or lying. There's no need to change anything. Just allow your body to rest, and your breath to guide you home. Now bring your attention gently to the breath, noticing the cool air as it enters your nose, and the warmth as you breathe out. There is no effort, just observation. Like a leaf floating on a river, allow your breath to flow naturally. As thoughts arise, do not fight them. Simply notice them, as if they were clouds drifting across a vast sky. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that sees them. Let each thought come and go, without attachment. Now gently bring awareness to the crown of your head, and slowly scan down. Notice your forehead, eyes, cheeks, jaw, relaxing as you go. Now down the neck, shoulders, arms. Let them grow heavier and looser. Continue this awareness down the chest, abdomen, hips, down through your legs to your feet. You are fully here, fully present. If you notice any tightness or resistance, breathe into it, and on the exhale, release. Like a wave washing over a stone, let your breath dissolve all tension. You are safe in this moment, right here, right now. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do. This moment is enough. You are enough. Allow yourself to rest deeply in the now. Breathe. Just be here. With each inhale, feel presence. With each exhale, feel peace. A Zen master once said, "When you walk, just walk. When you sit, just sit. But whatever you do, don't wobble." True peace is not found in escaping life, but in fully entering this moment. The present is the only doorway to freedom. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. Carry this peace with you. It is always within reach. If you found a moment of peace today, share this meditation with someone who may need it. Subscribe to the Inner Peace Project for more guided meditations rooted in ancient wisdom. May you be well. May you be peaceful. May you be free.